Welcome back to IWISH and USA Tito Today. We're putting the fence today using this. How to use this? Let us see. Aray ko! Masakit pala pag first time, eh. Alright, the things that we use here are fence wire, of course, and a post pounder, T-post, fence or clip, and different kind of pliers, and a steel garden fence, which is sponsored by Aunt Davy Owens, Mr. and Mrs. Owens, the previous owner of this property. Thank you so much, Auntie. The size of the garden is 250 by 50 feet square, and we use 24 pieces of steel garden fence.
You guys see her pound in any of those?
Come here. Come here. I want to take a picture over here. I want to take a picture over here. Or remember. Hold this. Wait, only. No. Don't mind that case.
You guys seen any of her? She pound in any of that stuff?
Do what I want so that happy life.
Oh yeah.
Okay, almost done.
Shit. I just got the post put in.
That is
Oh, yeah.
chicken.
What?
Easy.
What, the post?
Yeah. You don't know.
I know that we need to go.
Do you have any idea? Okay, and then cut later over that. Cut that. We just roll it and roll it and roll it and roll it over there. Oh. Alright. Put it over there. Yes. Alright, there you go. Next. this is how we do it to put the fence. Just watch. We need another one over there, loves. Okay? Over there. My husband loves me. He loves me. He loves me not. 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 He loves me. I'm taking video. Okay, so we will connect this to the other one so that we're going to finish it. Just connect this. Done. This is our fence for our garden. This is the gate for a meantime. Here we go. Welcome to my garden.